Good morning, guys. Good morning. We are in Naivasha. We've taken this journey to come and see the lake, to show my baby this side of the country. And so far we've driven for 2 hours. We were just driving slowly. Darling, do you want to say something to the viewers?
It has been a nice road actually. Today it was not much rush traffic. So around me now it looks really nice actually. There's some high trees and yes. And yeah, it's 27 degrees, quite cloudy, and I hope you'll enjoy the video.
Yes.
And
Subscribe. Yeah, guys, we wanted to start this filming while we were still on the highway, but the GoPro'd on us. So yeah, so we're just entering Lake Naivasha, and we hope we're gonna have the boat ride. You can see the hippos and all this. So we hope you're enjoying our channel, and as usual, continue showing love to all of our contents. We're gonna give you back-to-back videos once we get time to edit. Otherwise, continue enjoying. We love you.
You were going out, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination.
So guys, now we are going to the boat. This is my safari man here and this is our captain. Yeah. so we are going for the boat ride.
yes, I am.
And that's my darling. He's ready with his swimming gear. Hakuna matata. Yeah, so it's really nice to come out of the city. There's these trees here. I think everything is commercialized here, that even if you want to go to the island you have to pay more. It's 3,000 for 2 people for 1 hour boat ride. This is the walk pathway to the boats. It's a bit swampy. There are pods everywhere. You can see these beautiful flowers are from pod. And yeah, everything is moving. A few years ago this thing was starting around here, but it's really moved. These are the boats we are going with. Our 1 hour starts now at 12:38. Where are you?
maybe you see some animals on the shores of the lake.
Oh yeah.
Then I have a fish here. They have a small fish. This is tilapia.
That's tilapia.
So we are going to look for the eagle.
Yeah.
Then we try to feed the eagle.
Oh.
Then you can take a picture when the eagle is coming for the fish.
Okay.
Okay.
That would be
1
great.
hour ride, we come back.
Thank you.
Okay, great.
We are on the head, so now, yeah.
You want to attack, so for defending themselves, they attack you first.
They attack you back.
Yeah.
But do you get situation whereby fishermen are being killed?
They just kill. If you see the fishermen getting too close to them,
They attack.
yeah, they attack and bite you.
Oh my God. But these people know the consequences, yeah?
Yeah. So, they don't usually get to them, but sometimes you can find the eagles moving from the group, getting to where the fishermen is.
But they get all types of fish here, like tilapia, mbuta.
Yeah, they have 5 different types of fish.
Yeah.
In the lake.
Yeah.
The common fish is tilapia.
Oh yeah.
And we also have the common carp, catfish,
Yeah.
mudfish, and the black bass.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. This is really nice. It's 2 black beautiful ones. They're so cute. You see the African black sea eagle?
Yeah, on the top there. Seems like it didn't want to work.
Darling, you see here? These are hippos. They can really hide down.
Yeah.
But have you...
Hippos can stay under the water holding the breath for about 4 to 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, look. But in a situation whereby they were under the boat and they lifted the boat?
Yeah, maybe you just pass when he's under and you just pass on top of him. Sometimes you feel like he's like a bump. It's just a bump on the boat. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think 916 will take it good. Those fishermen they are very brave.
Yeah. They have to be brave because they don't have any other job. That's the
Yeah, that's the
No
choice,
choice,
yeah. Yeah, in life you have to be a risk taker, otherwise you can't feed your family.
Yeah.
Mm.
And you know, like those guys, those fishermen, they are being killed mostly by hippos because you know, in the lake, you are not allowed to fish anywhere in the lake.
Yeah, it's prohibited.
Fishing, you have to get a permit.
Yeah.
A license. So these guys, they are like poachers. They don't have.
They are
license.
stealing the moment.
Yeah, that's why you see them fishing in the shallow areas.
Yeah.
In case they see the
Wildlife.
boats coming, they can't be able to run.
Yeah.
Fishing in the lake, you have to get a permit and use a boat. And
Yeah.
there is a specific place where you are supposed to fish. Not everywhere.
Wow, these are big.
In shallow areas, you're not allowed to fish there because it's a breeding area of the fish.
Yeah.
So you get the small
Because many of them breed there. I think that's really nice just to know. Yeah, life can make you do certain things, you know. Important when your family see you back in the evening, they say thank you God. Yeah.
So there's another hippo moving there.
I like the trees, how they are. But they're gonna fly.
This one's
are the long-tailed cormorants.
Oh, this is the long tail. So they are small bodied.
Yeah.
Ah. That is just cormorant. Hmm?
Here we have a kingfisher.
Kingfisher.
Yeah, kingfisher.
This bird here.
Yeah.
Oh,
Small one.
the one with the colors.
The brown chest.
Yeah.
That's the giant kingfisher.
Where?
Serious giraffe.
Hey, look at the giraffes. Oh my god. A lot of them are here. Now we're getting to the... Oh, that's a lot. Oh, so they keep them around that area that is fenced, yeah?
Yeah.
Because I can see one is inside.
Sure. Sometimes they get inside there.
Oh, okay. But do the hippos go to people's home?
If there's no fence,
Huh?
yeah, they go. You know, they go grazing towards everywhere there is grass. You find that right around there.
Yeah. And there's
But
one
at night, not.
at night normally, because I hear also in my area back there
Yeah.
in Kisumu, they go and spoil people's maize during the night. Then people kill them for meat. Mm. Hey, but giraffes are very tall for sure. Mm. For sure, for sure. That was a beautiful capture. Very nice.
What happened to the trees here?
The level of the water.
Okay.
Not high. So, because you know the trees, they mostly find them in a place where it's not that wet. So you find when the water came, the water covered the bottom of the tree.
Mm.
And
So it's
then,
actually now
the,
gone.
the trees breathe
Take
using
excess.
their roots. So because they are covered,
Mm.
cannot be able to breathe well. So got
Oh.
dead.
Yeah, because we were wondering why all the trees are dried up.
Yeah, the one
the
just
water
they
has
are
been
on shores
wet.
of the water, of the lake.
And what is happening there? The green tents?
That's a sailing club.
Oh, sailing club.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like you know, before when the water, when the level of the water used to be as normal, when the lake normal area,
Mm.
the level used to be on the other side of the clubhouse.
Oh, yeah.
The sailing club.
Mm.
So the sailing club used to be connected with the land.
Yeah.
So you could drive in with the car up to there.
Really?
Yeah. But
Wait.
for now it has been surrounded.
It
So
has
it's
been
an island.
surrounded, yeah. Yeah, it's good to know a little bit because we can see people had some resort thing here, but now it's impossible. Yes.
They will take that one to this island.
You could say anything, but it could mean everything. Cause you said it to the right person and they needed the compliment. But isn't it sickening? You can say you're in love with them, but it won't mean anything at all.
It took it. So there's only one eagle, yeah?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, the camera is on us. So far, how do you enjoy the boat ride?
It's really good.
Yeah?
It's been a really nice journey. What
Yeah.
we have seen is we can see eagle, we see giraffe, we see hippopotamus,
Oh, yeah?
and some other birds. Don't remember the name of.
Yeah.
And we have a really good tour guide.
Yeah. Shout out to our tour guide. It's really nice. Yeah, and there's many people around safaring when they went to the island. But you have to pay additional fee for the island and also for the entry. But yeah, we are so happy inside the water. Guys, so those are the hippos in a real close-up. Here they are. They're just basking and taking some vitamin D. Later on, when they are very hot, they come back. Wow, hippo is very big.
Yeah, very big.
Whew. And they can sleep deep.
Yeah. They say that hippos can sleep for 12 good hours
Where?
if they are not disturbed.
This is
And
deep
mostly
sleep.
you find them sleeping in the water.
Hmm.
Naturally, they sleep in the water and take for breathing. You find them not taking just the nose outside of the water
Hmm.
and then goes back.
Well, that's a big creature. You
If they
can.
are not disturbed, they can sleep there for the whole day.
Wait. We made it.
It's not in the performance, no. There's nothing that you owe them, so feel no need to explain. I'll say it all again. You don't have to show them anything.
We just finished our boat ride, exactly 1 hour and some bonus minutes. It was really a good ride. What do you want to say after this beautiful ride?
Really enjoyed it.
You
I think
enjoyed
this
it?
was unexpected. Better than expected.
Better than expected.
So, yeah, it can be recommended for sure. If you're in
We're
this
gonna
area.
recommend it. 10 over 10 will. And we also had a great tour guide who showed us everywhere. It was really nice. Thank you so much for the guide. Yes. Bye. The video ends here. You're right. Did you swim?
Seems like.
How do you cook around here?
Here we have local food.
Right? I want to try their delicacy, love.
What was it?
They cook chapati, Shelley's rice and maharagwe, beans. They have a restaurant running here if you want to try.
For sharing maybe.
Yeah, for sharing.
And